Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. Brian here. We're going to be unboxing the Tesla wall connector Generation 3, which I just got today, and it's awesome because I had the Gen 2 ordered and I was able to call Tesla, cancel it, get this new one. They're going to install it tomorrow. So it's a small box. It's got some weight to it. I like the design of the box. It's very modern. So this one's supposed to have a tempered glass. Ooh. Thank you for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Wow, the presentation here is amazing. You can see the reflection of the light. This thing is gorgeous. Got the Tesla logo here, white, so it matches my dirty Tesla. I need to wash it. All right, let's look here. Wow, this looks amazing. The only experience I've had is the Gen 2 at the destination chargers. I can obviously tell that the wire is a lot thinner than the other ones. Alright, so this one comes with the 18-foot cable, and I've got this pulled out here so you guys can look at it. It is a gloss black. And let me bring my mobile connector, that way you guys can compare the wire thickness. Alright, so here I have it right next to the mobile connector, and it's actually a little bit thicker than the mobile connector. It looks awesome, guys. I can't wait to get it installed tomorrow, so make sure you look out for that video. This one does have Wi-Fi for future firmware updates. Something I would like to see is for the destination chargers to let us know if they're being used or not, kind of like superchargers. I think this is a great feature for the Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm assuming maybe that's what they were going for on the Wi-Fi. I think you can connect up to 16 of these. Maximum output is 48 amps, so I'll be installing a 60 amp breaker in my panel box. Yeah, I don't have space here, so some of these are going to be moved, and I think these two are going to be turned into a shared single pole like that one, and then balance the load so I can put my 60 amp breaker. Anyways, guys, that is a quick unboxing of the Tesla wall connector. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I will be showing you the installation process. And